Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. Today was a green day for me, up just under 2%, and I will take that. Not bad. Pretty much I just traded Tesla today. Could not get anything going. Um, that's the only thing I traded. They were all winners, but it was like really small winners. So, um, yeah, it was frustrating. But anyways, first, move this over here. First trade is going to be on Tesla, like I said. So without further ado, Tesla's on the far left here. So I waited 18 minutes on my first execution. So Tesla's consolidating on the day. And I'm hoping that we're going to get a move. To the upside, I have this horizontal line just above where we're at 736.61, where I would look to see what it does. But if we can get a break of that, then I'd be looking to take profits near high day. So it looked like it was going to go here maybe. So I grab one contract for a 740 call for 398. Tape's kind of slow right here, which I don't really like. We're just kind of grinding. It's not really moving like I wanted to. It's not enough to stop me out. But yeah, I'm not using the low of the prior candle as my stop, which I like to do a lot of times. And the reason for that is because it's a wide stop. Now, if you look at 2 candles ago, it looked like it was going to break down, and it didn't, and then it squeezed. So I should have entered the candle before I got in, as we broke that candle before that's high, but I didn't. So I'm in here. This is nice. So I could have sold there for 495 on the offer. I put an order out for 490 or 495, I believe. Did not get filled. Thank you. My cat, isn't it? So I'm still in there. I was hoping it would kind of take off, but I had a chance to sell for $100 profit, which would have been 1 point 2%, 2 point a little over 2% gain on the account, but I did not sell. Doing there. He's doing this again. Okay, so I don't like this topping tail candle, sort of a doji here. No, we just had that red candle. Stinky. Funny. So I got out there. 425, so I made $27 minus commissions. So it was kind of a dud. So next trade, so we had a bounce. So I'm playing the pop pullback candle over candle. I get in there anticipating. Hi. Boy, Stinky. This is my sidekick. I have 3 cats, by the way. Stinky here is my sidekick. He follows me everywhere I go. I'm in that same contract, 740 call at 436. I like that we kind of bounced off this former resistance, now support. And we bounced off the AEMA, which is that gray line above my entry, or below my entry. But I don't like that we're stalling here. See what happens. The moment Stinky gave up Put on that little ball on the end of my mic stand, my mic tripod. Yeah, Tesla's been a pain in the butt to trade. I don't know why I was so stubborn and traded it today, but um, yeah, but so I sold there on the offer. 19 bucks on that one. Just, taking what I can get. I don't trust the price action. Don't know why I kept trading it. Next trade on Tesla again. So we have this consolidation here. And I like it for this pop pullback candle over candle. I'm in the 740 same contract, 368. And now, as you notice, we're not really much lower, but theta, time decay, and volatility have gotten to this contract. So, I'm able to buy the contract for cheaper than I was at lower prices, thanks to theta mostly. Okay, so now we're getting a little breakout. Tesla a couple months ago would just rip. It would squeeze to high a day, rip, make a new high, squeeze. It would be so much easier to trade. This is definitely, not the same animal. So out at 390, just because I don't, based on what I've seen already today so far, it gets a couple little pops and then it dies out. So see if that was the right choice. So yeah, that was in the near term, it was the right choice. So final trade on Tesla. So we got this consolidation, then we broke out. I'm late to the party here. Super late. This is probably a FOMO entry just based on what I can tell right now looking at it. I should have been in lower around the 736s around VWAP. Just getting up right here is where people want to take profits and not where I should be entering. Amateur entry right there, high day. Just totally. I thought, okay, we'll get continuation. I got a little bit of FOMO here, apparently, and yeah. This is a 745 call, by the way. I got in at 244. As you can see in my trades window here that I added. I figured out, it'd be better to add. So I sold at 250, $6 profit. $4 with commissions, probably. So I just wanted to get my P&L up to just about 2% on the day, which I'm happy with. And that is it. That is all she wrote as far as my trades today. The only things that I'm looking at for let me just go and show you real quick what I'm. So I have some swings going still. I took all my shares off AMC. I have one left. I'm up 869 on that share. Got one Boeing left, chopping around. It's at $4 share. Baba's up $4 share. It was up like 10, 11. And I'm up 530 share. That's increased a little bit. PayPal, I'm down $4 for that single share. I'm looking to add on PayPal. So let me show you PayPal. I want to add my PayPal around 282, 220, and this area here, it was resistance, and hopefully now it's going to hold as support. So I will catch a falling knife down there. Also, this day right here is a high volume day. 14, almost 15 million, about 15 million shares. So I'm hoping that the liquidity there, the order, the buyers that got in there are gonna hold the price up, and they're gonna step in again. So, yeah, I missed Amazon to the downside. I just was done trading at this point. But if you look here, um, the 5 minute chart, this setup to the downside was beautiful. A lot today. So here, if I would have got 34.60 call or puts, I would have made, and this would have been a lot of money if you'd have done an intraday swing here. Um, and the other thing, I have, see, this is starting to get some movement. We're trying to get to this gap fill here on the daily, 1985. Tomorrow's Friday, so I might play a short on, or some puts on, long some puts, risking off this 20 if we get a gap up. Otherwise, I like PayPal for a dip. Check out Square. Square's got a nice consolidation here on the daily, so I'm definitely keeping note of that. This can break down. Be nice. We got the 50 here, and then we have the 34 right here. So I'm keeping note of these levels. Yeah, I'm just mindful of that. There isn't too much that I'm loving right now. Let's check on V. I thought V was a buy around here, and that would have been not so good. No, Netflix sold off today. Netflix. See, if this would have held tight here, and then we would have got a gap, like a gap. Like I like the days where this is super extended right here. Let's say we gap up to like 615 or something, and then immediately we have a candle under candle setup, and or opening range breakdown. Would have been nice. Yeah. So there's T's at a long term buy point. Oh, see, it bounced today. So a couple days ago, like here and here, I was bullish on it. I didn't really bring it up, but it's at a long term buy point. There's a trend that goes that where we bounced off of on T. It's a slow mover though, so you got to kind of size. In my opinion, you got to size up for that one, and have a longer time frame. Roku was looking good at the upside. We got this little break. Oh, another one that's looking good lately was beautiful setup. So I missed this, but anytime we have these inside days and we got higher lows, for the most part, like right here we didn't, but it's higher low, and then as soon as we break above this candle, that's an entry with target right there. Look at that horizontal right there. I mean, you don't find that every day. So you can play this inside bar break above the prior day's high right here as initial entry, or you can play right here, and then you swing that, and then the target would be somewhere around 139.70s, and for a gap fill to 147. It's a really good setup. But another one is Boeing. Boeing right here. So today we got a breakout here. I did not play this because I wasn't feeling it by the time it came in, but this was looking good. It just went up $1 something, $2 or whatever off the breakout. That one was looking good, but I did not. Let's check on AMD. It's been a minute. So if AMD starts putting in higher lows here, couple higher lows, and then gets tight, this would be a level. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Um, yeah, that's it. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed the content. I just wanted to get this video just over 10 minutes. And I want to show you those trades. So we're at 15 minutes, 16 minutes. That's a long video. But yeah, as you can see, my positions there on the, the chart I showed you. Still holding those. I'm still in this VVOS, by the way. VVOS is looking good for a breakdown. So if we get a breakdown, I'm probably gonna add. I might add risking off the high at like 550s, 560s. Add like puts, $5 puts, because they're cheap. The VVOS September 17th $5 puts are 40. Get it for 40 cents. I paid 80 cents for them, so I'd like to add a few at 40 and get my average down and play this tight consolidation here. Because if you look at the chart historically, it it gets pops and then they sell, pop, sell, pop, sell, pop, sell, pop, sell, pop, sell, pop, sell. I'm hoping this is gonna fade down to the threes before September 17th. So 750 down to 5. Yeah, so I'm thinking we can get to threes by September 17th, hopefully. If not, it'll be a couple $100 risk, a couple of percent of my account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.